All right. You look good. Look like you're ready to catch fish, don't you? Except for that. Oh yes, right away. See him? See him? I'm about to drop my bike off. What's up, dude? Don't steal my bike. The bike is in position. I think it's down there. Yeah, it's down there. The bike's in position. Time to do another wade fishing workout. This one's got a lot of swamp in it. It's gonna be rough. I'm gonna try and stick to the river channel. Steve Peterson said that even though it might be mucky a little bit, like there's usually some hard bottom there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm committing to it because this path leads through basically a swamp. I'm feeling that this might be rougher than the first time, and it's a longer walk. So, you know, I'm advancing. All right, let's drive over to where I get started. Let's do it! The river's gonna be muddier today than it was before because we've gotten some rain, but maybe it'll be higher. So then I'll have a chance at more fish. There we go. We're starting right here. Let's do it. Let's take you out, buddy. Buddy bye. Buddy bye. All right. You look good. Look like you're ready to catch fish, don't you? Except for that. Oh yes, right away. Big chub, right away. Heck yeah. Look at that guy. That's awesome. You seeing that? Nice. All right, this is gonna be a good day. All right, you're using a Panther Martin. Look at this Panther Martin. This is so cool. Size 2. There you go. That's it. Big start right away. I'm gonna go over there again. There's more. There we go. Yeah! Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a perch. The baby perch. Yeah, we got you. You got it all right. You went for it. Yeah. There's another one. Hey, buddy. Look at that. Look at that little guy. What's going on? Oh. All right. I haven't even got in yet. All right, it's time to get in. Let's see if we feel anything. Oops. I'm gonna go over my waders. And deeper than I thought it would be. Look at where I'm at. I'm almost up to my edge on my waders. So I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna go with a jig because the jig will get down there. Alright, still can catch fish with a jig. Alright. They're still there. Does anybody know how to fix a reel? It just started to be really hard to reel, like wonky. So when I was using the spinners, the inline spinners, I couldn't feel it really good. So if you know how to fix an ultralight, like, make it real smoother, it started getting really wonky, felt like there's something in there. Leave it in the comments, that'll help me a ton. I want to buy another new reel. Alright, so we failed with that part. It just got too deep, and not necessarily water deep, but muck deep. Even though I was in the river channel, I was up to the top of my waders, and I'm a tall guy, so I was in like 2 feet of water and 2 feet of muck. And I don't think I could make it any further, so I backtracked and back to the truck now. But I want to get to the bridge. There's a railroad bridge. I want to get there. So what I'm going to do instead is go to where my bike is now and then backtrack and fish with a jig. I love using a Panther Martin, but that works only when you cast downstream. So I'm going to walk upstream and cast a jig. I was just testing it out right now, and I caught a creek chub doing that from the bridge. So we'll try that, but through the swamp was a fail. I backed out on it. But it was a wise decision. Otherwise, I have water like way in my waders. I don't think I would have made it out alive. Oh yeah. Yeah, rocky bottom. Let's go. Rocky bottom. Let's go. All right, let's see if I can catch stuff with this jig. Hey, I got one. Hey, maybe it will work. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Yeah, well, I got a perch now on it and a creek chub, so maybe this will work. All right, buddy. Look at that. Wow, look at his fins. Look at that. Stay down. Look at how orange that is on the bottom. How crazy is that? So pretty. Right. I saw a perch. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is a big rock bass. Let's go. Nice. Oh, wow. That's cool. All right. Jig is working. My phone is blowing up. I don't know what's going on, but I'm catching fish right now. I can't be answering the phone right now. That's awesome. Look at that rock bass. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. We got a nice rock bass, people. It happened. Right on the jig. Let's do it. I guess going upstream in this is good. I haven't even got to the bridge yet, so there's chances for more. All right, let's let him go. All right, I'm switching to a number 4 Panther Martin because there's foam right there, and I keep seeing stuff not huge, but bigger than your tiny perch swiping at this. So I'm thinking there's fish in here that are big enough to go after this Panther Martin. We'll see. Ready, big guy? Here he goes. Let's go. There we go. All right, let's get this guy. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this creek chub. Nice. How big do you think that is? Dude, I got my bump board. I'm gonna measure you. That's a big creek chub. Dude, 9 inches. All right, pretty good, man. Let's go, Creaky. Yeah, oh, I have one. Dude, they bit off the fuzz. They bit off the fuzz. How will you do, buddy? There we go. Got him. What is this? Ah, nice rock bass. Yeah, right by me, buddy. Let's go. Getting jiggy with it. Let's go. Ooh, something got after you. Look at you. You got scalped. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's go. Let's look at this side. You're pretty right there. Nice. We caught a chunk. Look at him. Chunky monkey. Chunky monkey. Look at this guy. Just dropping it right below me in the foam. That's where they're at. Alright, let's see. Did you get him? I did. I got him. Another rock bass. They're everywhere in here. They're thick. Doop. Look at you. Let's go. Hey, thanks for watching this creek fishing adventure. It wasn't a win. It wasn't a loss. It was just a good workout, I guess, right? All right. See you.